Samsung, a pioneer in the foldable phone market, continues to be a prominent brand in this segment with its Galaxy Z Fold series. Nevertheless, the most recent Galaxy Z Fold 5 has undergone minimal design and feature modifications in comparison to its predecessor. This suggests that the tempo of innovation has been slower, as the importance of maintaining a reliable design has been emphasized. Other brands have succeeded by emphasizing the finer details that contribute to the overall product. Samsung is recognizing this and is in the process of developing substantial enhancements for the Galaxy Z Fold 6. One of the most anticipated improvements is a wider aspect ratio for the cover display and a stronger titanium build for enhanced durability. According to Ice Universe, Samsung plans to introduce two major design upgrades with the Galaxy Z Fold 6, addressing one of the main issues users have had with the foldable phones, the display crease. Although the crease hasn't been completely eliminated, testers have noted a reduction in its visibility. This improvement might be due to thicker ultra-thin glass, reportedly increasing from 30 microns to 50 microns, which not only reduces the crease but also enhances the display's durability. In addition to the display upgrade, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 will feature a new back design. Leaks suggest a distinct rear camera housing with a metal rail around the lenses, introducing a textured finish that departs from previous models. This fresh design aligns with Samsung's current aesthetic of protruding individual camera lenses. Initially, it was believed that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 would have the same camera setup as its predecessor. But recent rumors indicate that it might surpass the Galaxy S24 in camera capabilities, which is a promising development. Moreover, the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to debut at Samsung's Unpacked event, rumored to take place on July 10th in Paris. This event might also see the launch of three Galaxy Watch 7 models: the standard Galaxy Watch 7, the Galaxy Watch 7 Ultra, and the Galaxy Watch 7 Active. Although there were hopes for a Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra variant, it appears this model may be exclusive to the Korean market, leaving fans anticipating a wider cover screen, better camera, and potentially a built-in S Pen. Additionally, whispers of a new Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim model have emerged, which is said to feature a larger display but lack S Pen support. This new model could be distinct from the rumored Ultra variant, adding to the confusion surrounding the Galaxy Z Fold 6 lineup. There were also rumors about a low-cost Galaxy Z Fold 6 Fan Edition, but this model seems to have been scrapped. The excitement around the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is palpable, with fans eagerly awaiting its official unveiling. The potential improvements including a less visible crease, better durability, enhanced camera features, and new design elements suggest that Samsung is ready to address past criticisms and compete more effectively with other brands in the foldable phone market. Stay tuned for updates on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and other new releases from Samsung by subscribing to our channel. We look forward to hearing your thoughts on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the features you're most excited about. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, turn on post notifications, and join us in the comments below.